friends, today's video is just a little bit different. If you are watching it on December 25th, then Merry Christmas to you. But no matter the day that you're watching it, I hope that this video finds you in a moment of stillness, because that's what this video is actually going to be about today. One of the most powerful and certainly most overlooked parts of organizing in general, but certainly with digital organizing as well, is doing nothing. We can often spend so much time cleaning and sorting and labeling and decluttering, and that is all good, trust me, but it's not everything. There's a part of the process that is about white space or negative space, the part where you stop filling the system with all the things and instead let it breathe. A lot of times when I was doing in-home organizing and clients would point to photos and say, I want my pantry to look like that. And the thing that I would first do is point out how all of those cans and all of the boxes have space in between them. And that, I think, oftentimes is subconsciously what we are drawn to, is the space in between all of the things. So on days like today, holidays, seasons of stillness, or just spending time with friends or family, I don't organize anything. Well, I try not to. I try to very intentionally not organize anything, including all of the Christmas cookie tins. Instead, I try to make space. Make space to reflect, to be present, to be still, to notice what I've previously carried in seasons that I'm, moving out of, and what I want to carry forward into the seasons that I'm moving into. And I always think the holidays are a really beautiful time to reflect on these things, and that includes for your digital space and life as well. Interestingly, this is where a lot of clarity can actually take place. Not always in the action of sorting and decluttering and cleaning and labeling, right? But it can be in the slowing down and being mindful of the negative space, of the white space. So if you're feeling called to put things into order today, that's fine, you do you. But maybe pause first. Let things settle. Take a little rest, hit the reset button. Pausing and resetting in the world of organizing is just as important as the action of it. So I am wishing you a very peaceful and restorative holiday, no matter what you're celebrating or where you are. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and happy organizing, my friend.